Let's be creative, let's be innovative. Asalaam alikum, Marhaba. Welcome back to my channel, Kids Innovation. And you all guys know that sometimes I do a toy review. So today I'm giving a review on a very special website. This tea set is by Invegora. It's a really nice coupon. It says its name and the website I will put down below. And it says thank you for buying. So I'm so excited to tell about this lovely tiny tea set. It comes with 6 paints, as you can see, and in pieces. It says Frozen Fever, and they are stickers and you have to paint. They come with a paintbrush. It inspires children to be creative. I am giving you a close-up. So this is the teapot, and here are the paints. They're green, pink, orange, blue, and purple, and yellow too. There are 6